Welcome back, everybody. Still much more to uncover in the case of Lori Vallow. She's a former Chandler mother who moved her kids to Idaho after her brother shot and killed her husband. Well, the kids then went missing, and their bodies were found in her new husband's backyard in Idaho last summer. And last week, she was indicted on first-degree murder charges in their deaths.
Yeah, and her attorney, Jared, filed a motion saying she is incompetent to stand trial. Our Kim Powell is finally back from Idaho. We appreciate the behind-the-scenes reporting you've been doing there. You join us live tonight to explain more on what this competency finding really means. Kim.
Yeah, so first and foremost, this doesn't mean that she won't go to trial at all, but rather they need to make sure that she understands why she would be on trial and what her charges are. But what it will all go back to is whether she was competent at the time of the crimes.
Lori Vallow's initial appearance on murder charges started late, and then it was abruptly continued.
The court is going to continue this initial appearance based upon the information that was provided to me, and we will set this for a time and date certain in the future.
The next day, this document was filed. It states that her attorney ordered a competency evaluation.
They've apparently got some psychologist who has evaluated her and said, look, she's not going to be able to assist you in this trial, or she doesn't understand the nature and the proceedings against her.
But the state is contesting the findings.
They probably think she's bluffing it, faking, talking to the wall, or whatever the facts may be.
Mel McDonald, a former county prosecutor not linked to this case, says the state will likely bring in their own psychologist to do an evaluation on her. But for her to be able to go to trial, she will need to understand the charges against her. If necessary, she may be admitted to a hospital.
A lot of times people tend to go bonkers if they suddenly see the world has crashed around them.
I haven't gotten any sleep in about 3 days. They have good facilities.
They do, actually, from what I understand.
A gym where I could work out.
Yeah,
I'm
so
kind of happy.
Like I said,
You'll be okay without your mama.
You are going to get a padded room.
In January 2019, Lori's previous husband, Charles Vallow, filed a petition to get her a mental health evaluation after he says she threatened him. But according to Gilbert police, she ended up checking herself in and was released a short time later.
Everything that they can bring up into psychological issues she's had over the last couple of years, I think we'll throw in there.
According to investigators, Lori lied to police about where her kids, JJ and Tylee, were, and then moved to Hawaii with her new husband, Chad Daybell. Meanwhile, she was cashing in on JJ and Tylee's Social Security funds.
All of that evidence, I think, will cut against her in these competency hearings. She's functioning pretty well when she's on the run.
Now, again, the state prosecutor in Idaho is challenging this competency ruling, so there will be a hearing on the matter. So far, a court date for that has not been set yet. Reporting live tonight, I'm Kim Powell for Arizona's Family.